Hello everyone, and today we received a parcel from AliExpress from the HEADWOLF company for a video review, namely the FPAD 3 model. The whole thing is delivered in a white box, and we can also see from the side which model has arrived. We see that I have the 128GB version and the color is gray. So let's unpack this box now. You and I have seals here, we remove them and open the box. Yes, here we meet you with the instruction. Here it is, in several languages. Then the tablet itself meets you. Let's put it aside for now. Next, we see a paper clip for the complete set, which you and I still have inside, a cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging in white, and unfortunately there is nothing else in the set, but it will be possible to complete it when ordering. You will be able to choose a few fragments that I don't have in my review right now. It will be possible to add, for example, headphones, a protective film, and more. So let's get the tablet itself. Get it. He is very small. The diagonal you and I have here is 8.4 inches. The screen size between you and me is 1920 by 1200 pixels. This is how you and I see the logo of the HEADWOLF company at the back. We also have a 13 megapixel camera. A flash is also present. You and I also have the inscription HEADWOLF. On the left side, you and I have 7 trays. Let's open it with you and see what combination we have here. Yes, it is combined with you and me. That is, it will be possible to use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. Next, you and I can see the front camera. You and I have 8 megapixels. On the right side, we have the volume buttons and the power off button. And by the way, you and I have an on and off button with a notch like this in red. There is nothing on the upper side, and on the lower side we each have 2 speakers and a Type-C charging port. So let's shoot the film with you. And let's launch the tablet itself. Press the power button. This is how the logo of the HEADWOLF company lit up with you. The processor you and I have here, by the way, is Unisoc T616 installed. We have 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. As I already told her, it will also be possible to expand the internal memory with SD cards. Up to 2 TB are supported here. That's it, the tablet started. The battery we have here is 5500 mAh. Let's go to the settings and see about the tablet, about the device. As you can see, the name of the device is FPAD 3. Yes, the Android version is 13. Everything works. Next, let's move to security, for example. Here we can set a PIN code, password, or for example, a graphic key. Unfortunately, this tablet does not have a fingerprint scanner. Unfortunately, we also do not have Face ID here, probably. No, yes, we are looking at face control. No, we have Face ID here. Yes, ready. Let's lock the screen with you. Turn it on, take a look, and it will be unlocked quickly. Without any such, not even delays. Next, let's, for example, go to the screen section. Here we will be able to turn on the black theme, yes, or turn off the protective mode, brightness control, auto rotation of the screen. For example, if you don't need it, you can turn off energy saving, backlight, and we also have sound and vibration here. Let's test the sound quality with you. Well, we have this one here. The sound between you and I is quite good for a budget tablet, and the most important thing is that these 2 dynamics are real. That is, it is not one speaker, for example, but another dummy. No, these are 2 full working speakers, so on. Let's go to the camera with you. We agree. Yes. And now let's look at the settings of the camera itself. Here we can see that we can enable or disable 10. So we can enable or disable it in the list. Yes, we have a rear camera, as I said, 12 megapixels. Our front camera is 5 megapixels. You and I have a video, maybe a recording for 2021, that is 2021, 2022, and a front camera video for 2 and 20. So let's take some photos. So let's see. Well, this is how you and I take a photo. In principle, as for the budget segment, the HEADWOLF company has even a good result. So let's go a little further and take a picture. So he did. And now let's see if the text will be visible to us. Unfortunately, the text is already blurry with you, and you can't even see it at a distance of about 1 meter, at a distance of 1 meter. Quite real. Not a bad result. Further. Let's turn to the front camera and take a photo. I can already see that a little. We have a photo with you. The camera makes it so red. The front camera is so ordinary for budget tablets, as they do, for example, plugs for cameras. Well, to switch to video mode, you need to swipe right, and that's it. Here you can switch to video mode and include, for example, in the list if you need IBNO. By the way, this is how we can go out and shoot a video already. Time. time. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Such a quiet speaker. He is here, as he says. According to the HEADWOLF company, he scores about 100,000 points with us. It is based on the processor 900. At the top point, we have all such necessary functions for quick access. For example, turn on or off the flashlight, turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, flight mode, night screen, and for example, make a screen recording. Unfortunately, this is the budget segment of the HCC. There are 10 names on this screen. Unfortunately, it is not possible to change, for example, up to 10 names here. Well, in principle, for its price, it even works well. There are some delays compared to 100 or 100, but let's look at the price and quality. Everything corresponds to its price. And for this tablet, such a price is quite justified. And you can buy me everything on this. This tablet, according to the link in the description, is a fairly budget tablet from the HEADWOLF company, Model 100 with a screen diagonal of 22 inches, Android 13th processor. We have installed $100, 120,000 internal memory, and 8 megabytes of RAM and a battery for 12 hours. And this is such a budget option. For example, if you want to give a gift to a child, it will even be a good gift. That's all. Thanks for the review. Peace to all. Goodbye.